Hey everyone, this is me, Owen Fox, and today I want to share with you how to open a durian. So, if you actually look at this, you can see it's starting to crack open itself in a similar way to bananas crack open when they're ripe. So, it's really easy to open this way now, but when it's not as fully ripe, then you have to get a knife and cut down the center. And I'll show you here. All fruits, well not all fruits, but a lot of fruits are easy to pick. Pretty much all of them, even oranges from an orange tree. You can pick them when they come off easily when they're ripe. But if they're not ripe and not as sweet or juicy and not ready as much, they're really harder to pull. But yeah, here we go. This should be pretty easy, like even just with my fingers. Yeah, you can see it's pretty easy. I'm not actually putting in much effort at all. I'm just making sure I don't thug it so it falls on the grass. So here you go. Get me? So yeah, there we go. So that's it. Yeah, it's like really soft. Oh, it's so nice. I love durian. And it's my mum's favourite fruit, who's recording now in her lovely blue topless t-shirt. And as you can see, the pod here, it was like it actually is like, it's like almost like a sim, like what's the word, a sim, something down the center, which is really, really easy. So if you got a knife, you can almost like wedge it and use your fingers to pull it open that way if it's less ripe. But when it's super ripe like this, you can just do it the way I did it. But otherwise, when there's no cracking open, you can just get a little bit of a knife and even use your fingers to open it like that way. So that's it, everyone. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you like them, to share, and also subscribe and hit the bell button, and friend me on Facebook. And yeah, for more videos on body, mind, spirit, health, happy, holistic, healthy living. Thanks. Have a lovely day. Bella boots. Bella's after some durian.